Ocean Bomb beverages are produced by a Taiwanese brand named YHB Ocean Bomb. These refreshing drinks feature beautiful artwork of your favorite animated characters. Character sets on the cans come from Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, and Sumiko Gurashi. Each flavor displays a different character, so be sure to try them all and to collect every can. This cider-flavored sparkling water features Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Vegeta is one of the main characters of the original anime. Vegeta's blue hair and white armor are displayed on this can. Not only is the design of the artwork eye-catching, but the beverage inside the can is tasty and high quality. YHB Ocean Bomb harvests some of the purest drinking water in the world while conserving land by extracting deep ocean water from Taiwan's eastern port Hualien. This water is found at a depth of 200 meters and is so deep that the rays of the sun cannot penetrate, and therefore there is no way for photosynthesis to generate oxygen to allow bacteria to grow. As a result, bacteria cannot survive in these conditions, and the water is very clean. After desalination vessels eliminate the salt from this deep ocean water, the product is extremely pure and rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. This pure water is then mixed with various flavoring and other ingredients to produce sodas and sparkling waters. These drinks are HACCP certified and ISO 22000 certified as well, meaning they comply with all food safety requirements and production standards. These high-quality beverages are satisfying and delicious. Each standard 330 milliliter can like this contains 133 calories, no fat, no cholesterol, 20 milligrams of sodium, 33.3 grams of carbohydrates, 31.7 grams of sugar, and no protein. These cans should be stored in a cool, dry place until ready to enjoy. The expiration date is listed on the bottom of the can. These last for 2 years from the date of manufacturing. Now I will open up this can and pour it in a glass for you to see how it looks. Here you can see the fizzy sparkling water. It is crystal clear. It has a sweetly aromatic cider scent. This sparkling water tastes great and is best served chilled. I highly recommend it and hope you'll try it out, along with the other flavors from YHB Ocean Bomb. Be sure to collect each can for a full set of your favorite characters.